Welcome to Safe Work Insights, safety talks that matter. If you care about a safer workplace, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for practical safety tips and real-world insights. Let's build a safer tomorrow, together. Now, let's discuss an incident that occurred at height, including the investigation into its root causes and recommendations, so we can learn, raise awareness, and take steps to avoid similar incidents in the future.
Toolbox Talk was also conducted for the site team. To execute the work, a team of 8 members was shifted to 46-meter platform by crane with man basket. This team was divided into 2 groups, each having 4 members. At around 9:30 a.m., a permit applicant visited to inspect the site. At 10 a.m., teams started to perform the erection work. During the afternoon time, 3 workmen was engaged to perform the activity of shifting the checker plate. One of the worker was pulling the plate with the help of rope, while other workers were pushing the plate with the help of rod. During this activity, the worker fell down from plus 46-meter platform opening to plus 21.4-meter platform, which was noticed by co-worker. After hearing the sound of the fall, other persons working there knew about this incident. At 1:45 p.m., the incident was brought to the notice to the safety officer and the supervisor. Meanwhile, victim was rescued through man basket to ground floor from plus 21.4-meter platform. He was shifted to the hospital. At 8:30 p.m., victim was referred for higher medical management. On the way to specialty hospital, the patient suffered cardiac arrest and was declared dead. Causes of incident: inadequate site risk assessment prior to start of work, unguarded floor openings in the working area, safety harness lanyard was not anchored to lifeline, lack of continuous qualified supervision, job-specific training was not effective, hard barricading of openings were missing, crew on the floor failed to identify the fall hazard and failed to fall protection system, stage-wise stairs for secured access not provided enabling proper safety inspection and assessment. Recommendations: risk assessment for sequence change to be done with adequate control measures. While working at heights, double fall protection should be ensured all the time. Continuous supervision to be made vision. Job-specific training was not effective. Hard barricading of openings were missing. Crew on the floor failed to identify the fall hazard and failed to fall protection system. Stage-wise stairs for secured access not provided enabling proper safety inspection and assessment. Recommendations: risk assessment for sequence change to be done with adequate control measures. While working at heights, double fall protection should be ensured all the time. Continuous supervision to be made mandatory. Training effectiveness is to be strengthened. Floor openings and platform ends to be firmly guarded to eliminate fall from height. Incorporate your own developed floor opening protection procedures. Flooring should be completed without openings. Floor opening should be made only when it is required to do with proper barrication. Lifting and handling materials standard to be reviewed with respect to manual handling. Qualified and experienced safety officer to be deployed by contractor at site. Proper safe access to be built all along the stages of elevation, either permanent or temporary, for construction or erection.
Action plan to avoid reoccurrence. To avoid reoccurrence, a comprehensive action plan will be implemented, including revised safety protocols, enhanced training, regular inspections, and promoting a safety-aware culture. Immediate hazard control. Ensure all floor openings and platform edges at all elevations are covered or guarded with handrails and toe boards. Develop floor opening protection procedure. Establish a standard procedure for identifying, securing, and controlling floor openings throughout all construction phases. Revise work method for material handling. Review and revise the method statement for manual handling of materials like checker plates. Use mechanical means wherever possible. Training and toolbox talks. Conduct specific toolbox talks on safe manual handling and fall protection. Include real incident learnings. Deploy qualified safety personnel. Ensure experienced and qualified safety officer is stationed at all high-risk work zones. Construct safe access routes. Build proper, guarded access, ladders, stairs, scaffold walkways to all elevation levels before work begins. Strengthen permit to work, PTW, system PTW to include specific checks for floor openings, edge protection, and access. Emergency preparedness review. Evaluate and update the emergency rescue plan for working at heights. Conduct rescue drill. Incident sharing and safety alerts. Share the details of the incident and lessons learned with all project teams and subcontractors. Audit and monitoring. Conduct weekly audits focusing on floor opening control, material handling practices, and access provisions. Would you feel safe working at 46 meters height in a man basket? What checks must be done before lifting workers? Why do you think the incident was reported almost 2 hours later? What should have happened immediately? Have you seen unguarded floor openings at your site? What did you do? How do you ensure your team is safe during such risky activities? What safety measures are followed for floor openings at your site? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thank you for watching. For more videos on safety management systems and practical safety insights, keep watching Safe Work Insights. Stay safe, stay informed.